are the Delegates of Cuba. We will present the topic of climate change. The topic of what we are going to present is the Cuba's problems and solution about the environment and climate change.
Understanding the issue, climate change is an issue of the massive shift in the Earth's weather patterns. Since the mid of 20th century, the climate change had an unprecedented impact on the global scale and changed the Earth's climate system. Cuba is a large island located at the border of the Caribbean Sea, situated in the western part of the Atlantic Ocean. The country's climate is tropical and it experiences a dry season from November to April and a rainy season from May to October.
Cuba has been facing the problems of soil degradation and desertification as the result of Cuba's declining environmental problem and climate change. Apart from the mentioned problems, Cuba has also faced the problems of air pollution, deforestation, and water pollution.
The problems of soil degradations are caused by natural disasters and the lack of good farming techniques, while the air pollutions are caused by the deforestations, which are produced by the mass cutting down of trees. And lastly, the water pollutions are caused by the contamination of different industries.
As the majority of the factories are owned by the government, and about 83% the population are employed by the government, it is very difficult to decrease the use of chemicals in the state's industries. Luckily, in late February, voters approved a new constitution that included amendments declaring Cuba to promote the conservation of the environment and fight against climate change, which threatens the survival of the human species. The country joins 10 other nations, including Ecuador and Tunisia, that mention climate change in their constitution.
The Cuban government has also started the environmental education program, which became one of Cuba's main solutions. The reason why environmental education program happened with the regulation of environmental problem was because Cuban people become more educated of observing the environment.
For example, the community was contributing to neighborhood cleanup techniques. The government created new methods to prevent the destruction of the environment, such as organic farming versus using chemicals to treat the lands. Designated areas were built for garbage and industrial waste instead of dumping them into the Havana Bay.
The Cuban government should regulate the usage of chemicals within its industries as the number of increasing water and air pollution in the country. The government must also regulate the farming techniques to prevent more soil degradation and also make a stricter regulation about the deforestation issues. In addition, applying awareness to the community of the importance of environmental care from an early age that is friendly with technology and easily accepted by the community can also be a support in overcoming these environmental problems.
Then make land use policies or regulation for the industry in order to prevent the transition of excess land use by industry owner. It is very important to limit and also prevent environmental damage. And also tightening the guard, also the sanction for those who commit violation which can damage the environment, This is done to protect Cubans from irresponsible individuals.
To make things better as teenagers, first, we can provide a spirit of awareness to reduce water and air pollution with actions such as demonstrating how to manage waste by sorting it to be recycled called 3R, reuse, reduce, and recycle. Second, reducing the use of private vehicles fueled by diesel.
And finally, for the prevention of deforestation, for now, what can be done by the youth is to replant in the form of reforestation or greening. By doing the movement, everyone plant one tree, so that the soil does not become arid and dangerous during the rainy season.
That's all we can say for this. Thank you. Progress the change, save our earth, preserve the nature. We're young and we can. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Born on the wrong side of the ocean, with all the tides against you. You never thought you'd be much good for anyone, but that's so far from the truth. I know there's pain in your heart, and you're covered in scars. Wish you could see what I do, 'cause baby, everything you are is everything I need. You're everything to me, baby. Every single part is who you're meant to be, 'cause you were meant for me, and you're everything I need. You can say I'm wrong, you can turn your back against me, but I am here to stay. Like the sea, she keeps kissing the shore.